Well, we thought we'd come down here and try to break the trail just far enough to get the ambrosia maple out over here. Came down, it was pretty nice, but then I went to follow his tracks in my four-wheeler. I broke through. There's ice on top of the snow, and the snow is deep underneath the ice. He has gotten back up as far as this point right here, but it is not working now. Getting a little aggravated. I think we're going to end up winching him out. All the way out. Let me get my manly stance here. Hello everybody, I'm Rick.
I'm Tim.
And this is Two Brothers Outdoors. Okay, so we went down the woods. Tim went down the woods.
In the snowy Adirondacks.
This winter is getting very trying. We had a blizzard again this morning. I'm about done with winter. We tried to get down the woods to the ambrosia maple logs that we have down there. Tim's like, I'll go down first, and then
so close, but yet so far.
Follow me. Well, he got down the hill, and then he broke through the crusty top of the snow. If you look right here, I'm standing on top of the snow, but if I push my foot hard enough, I break through the icy crust, I'll go up to my crotch. All right, I got a running start. Almost made it out, but he is now close enough to where I can get to him with a winch on my four-wheeler. We can get him out from this point. He is almost to the plowed path.
I'm done. At least I got this far.
At least you got up this far. I thought we got enough winching you all the way out of there.
No, I knew if I could get on top, I'd be all right, but I thought right here it'd be hard enough.
Once you break through the ice, it's deep.
It's done.
Yeah. So with that said, we come out, put a maple log on the mill, and we're going to saw this up for the box.
Of course, this was an ordeal in itself. I had to dig it out. It was under 3 foot of snow.
Big block of ice around it.
Log arch was buried.
All right, so this is going to be kind of interesting because we've got the blade tensioned according to the videos we did 2 videos ago. This is pretty knotty and it's hard maple, so if this blade is going to ride up over or not, we'll find out today. So let's get this sawn up and see how it does with these knots, and we'll go from there.
Could somebody please send us some summer-like temperatures? It'd be great.
Hang in there, brother. It's supposed to warm up next week into the 50s.
Yeah, somebody was asking about your log man the other day. Where's his brother?
Yeah.
I wrote on there, he has to work.
That brother's not retired. All right, let's get this sawn up and see what it looks like and get it in the box. All right, guys, so this is a hard maple log, very knotty, and what we're doing is we're just slabbing it up for the box. Hopefully we won't run into any problems. He's going to start above that knot that you see in the center there and probably make his first cut at that point, and then go back and cut the first strip off. When it comes to putting wood in the crafter's shed, we don't want to waste any wood. All right, guys, I'm going to give it a quick feel where his knot is. Feels pretty good. has frozen. So it's not just hard maple, it's hard frozen maple. We have a really nice pattern right here. And some speckles in the wood. This is really pretty right here. All right, you see all the snow on the log now. That's because it froze. I knocked about 8 inches of ice off the other side with the cant hook. That was the perfect first cut right there. I don't know if you can hear it on the microphone or not. The wind is whipping out here. I think the sun would be pretty warm if it wasn't for the fact that it's so windy. Pick up all these offcuts I threw out the door and throw them over here on the pile. The firewood guy is going to be very happy. When all the snow is gone, probably got 4 pickup truck loads of firewood. How was your track sweep doing his job?
Beast.
Saw pushing kind of hard through it.
Not all.
Frozen logs will knock the snot out of a blade. Good. All right, guys, we're going to get this sawn in half and scraped off.
Ooh, look at the colors.
I know, and we'll show you the colors in it in just a minute. We'll be back with you directly. Cold saw and a frozen log.
And full of these wood chips where you are cutting it long ways.
All right, so look at the color in this. It's got some black specks. And then it's got a little bit of curly maple there around the knots. And some more black specks. This turned out really nice. I think the crafters are going to love it. All right, guys, look at that. Curly maple right there. I don't know what those black specks are.
Well, they're not ambrosia beetle, that's for sure.
I bet Andy would know.
Sap pockets, maybe?
From southern Adirondacks. I don't think they're sap pockets, but sure making nice color. All right, guys, that produced some pretty nice wood. I think the crafters will be happy with it. We'll get that put in the box today.
I'm surprised there's no swoops. Bill's cutting nice with that new tension on it.
The blade tension seems to be working out pretty good.
Let's do it pretty easy.
Like to give a shout out to our friends at Otterbrook Camp.
Would you?
I just did.
Oh,
see?
okay.
Sign right there. They're just some buddies of ours. And they've done some things here to help us out here and again.
Yeah.
All right. So that's going to be the end of this video.
Yep.
This wind is terrible.
Yep.
It's got to stop sometime
Yep. Like in probably June or July.
when it's 94 degrees.
Then we'll get the black flies.
Yeah. All right, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.
Bye-bye now.